Welcome to the heart of the pond, a seemingly tranquil body of water. Yet, beneath the surface, it's a bustling world teeming with life. In these aquatic ecosystems, a delicate balance is maintained, driven by an intricate web of interconnected organisms and processes. Central to this web are the natural food sources that fuel life in the pond. These sources range from microscopic algae to decaying matter, forming the foundation of the pond's food web. They support a diverse array of organisms, from microscopic invertebrates to larger fish and birds. Understanding the roles and relationships of these food sources is crucial to appreciating the complexity and fragility of pond ecosystems. Imagine a pond as a bustling city, where, just like a city relies on a complex network of resources to function, so too does a pond. The natural food sources act as the essential services, providing energy and nutrients that sustain the entire pond community. From the smallest phytoplankton to the largest fish, every organism plays a vital role in the intricate dance of life within a pond. It is a delicate balance, one that highlights the interconnectedness of nature and the importance of preserving these valuable ecosystems. Now, let's delve into the world of phytoplankton, the microscopic powerhouses of pond ecosystems. These single-celled wonders form the base of the food web, harnessing sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis. Just like plants on land, they release oxygen as a byproduct, playing a crucial role in maintaining the oxygen levels within the pond. There are many types of phytoplankton, each with unique characteristics and roles. Diatoms, with their intricate silica shells, are particularly efficient at photosynthesis. Green algae contribute significantly to oxygen production, while blue-green algae, also known as Cyanobacteria, can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, enriching the water with essential nutrients. The abundance and diversity of phytoplankton directly influence the health and productivity of a pond. They serve as a primary food source for a wide range of zooplankton, small invertebrates that graze on these microscopic plants. A thriving phytoplankton community supports a larger and more diverse zooplankton population, which in turn sustains larger organisms higher up the food chain. However, an overabundance of certain types of phytoplankton, such as blue-green algae, can lead to harmful algal blooms. These blooms can deplete oxygen levels in the water, block sunlight from reaching other aquatic plants, and even produce toxins that are harmful to fish and other wildlife. Maintaining a balanced and diverse phytoplankton community is essential for a healthy pond ecosystem. Moving on to zooplankton, the tiny grazers of the pond. Zooplankton, the animal counterpart to phytoplankton, play a critical role in the intricate food web of ponds. These microscopic animals, often drifting in the water column, are as diverse as they are numerous. Ranging from single-celled protozoa to larger crustaceans like water fleas and copepods, zooplankton graze on phytoplankton, bacteria, and even smaller zooplankton. Their feeding habits are essential for regulating phytoplankton populations, preventing excessive growth that could lead to imbalances in the ecosystem. By consuming phytoplankton, zooplankton act as a crucial link in the food chain, transferring energy from these primary producers to higher trophic levels. Different types of zooplankton exhibit different feeding strategies. Some are filter feeders, using specialized appendages to strain phytoplankton from the water. Others are raptorial feeders, actively pursuing and capturing their prey. This diversity in feeding behavior contributes to the stability and resilience of pond ecosystems. The abundance and diversity of zooplankton are directly influenced by the availability of their food sources, primarily phytoplankton. A healthy and diverse zooplankton community is indicative of a well-functioning pond ecosystem, supporting a thriving population of fish and other aquatic organisms. Finally, let's explore the benthos, the bottom dwellers of the pond. Life in a pond is not just confined to the open water. The bottom sediments, known as the benthic zone, are home to a fascinating array of organisms collectively called benthos. These creatures, ranging from microscopic bacteria and worms to larger snails, clams, and insect larvae, play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. Benthic organisms contribute to the overall health of the pond by breaking down dead plant and animal matter, also known as detritus. This decomposition process releases nutrients back into the water column, making them available for phytoplankton and other primary producers. Essentially, benthos act as the recyclers of the pond ecosystem. Different types of benthos occupy different niches within the sediment. Some burrow through the mud, while others attach themselves to rocks or submerged vegetation. Their feeding habits vary, with some filtering organic particles from the water, others grazing on algae or bacteria, and some preying on other benthic organisms. The diversity and abundance of benthos are indicators of the overall health and productivity of a pond. A thriving benthic community indicates good water quality and adequate oxygen levels in the sediment, supporting a diverse and healthy pond ecosystem. Clinging to submerged surfaces like rocks, logs, and aquatic plants, you'll find a slimy, often overlooked community of organisms called Periphyton. This diverse group includes algae, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, all living together in a complex, interconnected matrix. Periphyton plays a vital role in the pond ecosystem, serving as both a food source and a habitat for a variety of organisms. Just like phytoplankton, paraphytic algae contribute to oxygen production through photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the water. They also absorb excess nutrients from the water, helping to prevent algal blooms and maintain water clarity. Their slimy matrix provides a protective environment for small invertebrates like snails, insect larvae, and zooplankton. Periphyton serves as a food source for a variety of grazers, including snails, tadpoles, and some fish species. Their presence increases the surface area available for colonization by other organisms, enhancing the overall biodiversity of the pond. The abundance and composition of Periphyton can be indicators of water quality. Excessive nutrient levels can lead to excessive Periphyton growth, which can negatively impact the pond ecosystem by reducing oxygen levels and blocking sunlight from reaching submerged plants. In the grand scheme of a pond ecosystem, even death contributes to life. Detritus, the decaying organic matter that accumulates on the pond bottom, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Composed of dead leaves, plant material, animal carcasses, and other organic debris, detritus serves as a vital food source for a variety of organisms. Bacteria and fungi, the primary decomposers, break down the complex organic molecules in detritus, releasing nutrients back into the water column. These nutrients then become available for phytoplankton and other primary producers, fueling the growth of the entire food web. Detritus also provides a habitat for a diverse community of invertebrates, including worms, insect larvae, and crustaceans. These organisms, collectively known as detritivores, feed on the decaying matter, further breaking it down and contributing to the nutrient cycling process. The amount of detritus in a pond is influenced by factors such as the surrounding vegetation, seasonal leaf fall, and the presence of aquatic animals. A balance of detritus is essential for a healthy pond ecosystem, providing a vital food source and supporting a diverse community of decomposers and detritivores. Pond ecosystems are incredibly complex and interconnected, with each organism playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the system. From the microscopic phytoplankton to the larger fish, every creature contributes to the overall health and functionality of the pond. Maintaining this balance is crucial for ensuring the long-term health and productivity of the pond. Factors such as nutrient levels, water temperature, pH, and oxygen availability all play a role in shaping the community of organisms that inhabit the pond. Human activities can have a significant impact on pond ecosystems. Runoff from agriculture, lawns, and urban areas can introduce excess nutrients, leading to algal blooms and oxygen depletion. Pollution from industrial discharges and wastewater treatment plants can contaminate the water, harming aquatic life. Proper pond management practices are essential for mitigating these impacts and preserving these valuable ecosystems. This includes reducing nutrient inputs, controlling erosion, and preventing the introduction of invasive species. As we've explored the intricate workings of pond ecosystems, from the microscopic powerhouses of phytoplankton to the vital role of detritus, one thing becomes abundantly clear. These ecosystems are incredibly complex and interconnected. The delicate balance of life within a pond depends on the interactions of a vast array of organisms, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and functionality of the system. It's our responsibility to protect these valuable ecosystems, not just for the sake of the organisms that call them home, but for our own well-being. Ponds provide us with numerous benefits, from filtering pollutants and regulating water cycles to supporting biodiversity and providing recreational opportunities. By understanding the intricate workings of pond ecosystems and the impacts of human activities, we can make informed decisions that promote their long-term health and sustainability. Let's strive to be responsible stewards of these vital ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of life in a pond.